Bean pod. A bean pod is the long, slender shell that holds beans inside. It grows on legume plants like green beans, peas, or soybeans. When the pod is young and tender, you can eat it whole, pod and all, which makes it a popular vegetable in many dishes. As it matures, the beans inside grow larger, and the pod itself often becomes tougher, so people usually open it to take out the beans for cooking. These beans can be eaten fresh, boiled, steamed, or dried and stored for later use. Bean pods are not only tasty, but also full of nutrients. They provide fiber, vitamins, and protein, making them a healthy addition to any meal. In many cultures, they're used in soups, stews, stir fries, or simply served as a side dish. Some varieties, like snap beans, are grown specifically for their crisp and tender pods. Beyond food, bean pods also have traditional uses in herbal remedies where dried pods are sometimes brewed into teas for natural health benefits. From garden to kitchen, bean pods are versatile, affordable, and nutritious. Whether you enjoy them whole or just the beans inside, they're a simple way to add flavor and health to your meals. Bee Triton is an innovative amphibious camper that combines three adventures in one. It works as a boat, a camper, and a bike trailer. Designed in Latvia, this clever invention is built for people who love exploring both land and water without limits. On land, it can be towed behind a regular electric bike, making it perfect for eco-friendly travel. Once you reach a river or lake, the Bee Triton transforms into a small electric-powered boat, letting you continue your journey smoothly across the water. Inside, it doubles as a cozy camper with enough space for one or two people to sleep comfortably. It's equipped with storage, lighting, USB charging ports, and weather protection, so you can stay safe and comfortable wherever you are. The Bee Triton is powered by batteries and solar panels, making it a sustainable and environmentally friendly choice compared to traditional campers or boats. Circle is a unique French company that blends live music, stunning visuals, and extraordinary locations into unforgettable experiences. Founded in 2016 by Derek Barbola, Circle has redefined how people enjoy performances by taking music out of traditional venues and bringing it to breathtaking places around the world. From mountaintops and castles to deserts, riversides, and even historical landmarks, each show feels like a mix of concert and cinematic adventure. The magic of Circle lies in its ability to combine world-class music with the beauty of nature and culture. Artists, mostly from the electronic house and techno scenes, perform live, while the entire show is captured with multiple cameras and drones, offering dramatic angles and immersive storytelling. Millions of people can tune in through live streaming, making it a global event that connects audiences no matter where they are. After every performance, the artist is interviewed, often with questions submitted directly by viewers online, which adds a personal and interactive touch. Beyond events, Circle also runs a record label, releasing tracks from the talented artists they feature. More than just concerts, Circle creates emotional journeys that celebrate music, heritage, and the beauty of our world. Coleman Connectable Tent Bundle. The Coleman Connectable Tent Bundle is perfect for families or groups who want flexible and spacious camping options. It includes a 3-person tent and a 6-person tent, which can be zipped together to create a larger communal space or used separately for private sleeping areas. This makes it easy to adjust your setup depending on the group size or activity. Both tents feature Coleman's fast-pitch setup system, which means poles and hubs are pre-attached, and snag-free Instaclips make assembly quick and simple. No more struggling with complicated setups. These tents are ready in minutes. The 6-person tent is tall enough to stand comfortably inside, while both tents have large windows and roof vents to improve airflow and reduce condensation, keeping everyone comfortable throughout the night. The tents are designed for 3-season camping with fully sealed seams to help protect against light rain and wind. Their lightweight yet durable materials make them easy to transport, and the connectable design adds versatility, giving you a small or large shelter depending on your needs. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway, a family trip, or a group adventure, The Coleman Connectable Tent Bundle offers a convenient, comfortable, and customizable solution, combining easy setup, roomy interiors, and flexible design to make camping enjoyable for everyone. Fluid Logic GPR50 is a smart hydration system designed for riders who want to stay focused and perform at their best without distractions. Instead of fumbling with bottles or stopping mid-ride, this wearable pack gives you hands-free hydration whenever you need it. It comes with a 50-ounce reservoir, a lightweight backpack, and a special hose that connects directly to your helmet. Halo Plus. The Halo Plus is a portable smart projector that transforms any space into a personal movie theater. Compact and stylish, it delivers sharp Full HD 1080p visuals with bright 700 ISO lumens, making movies, shows, or games look clear and vibrant. What sets it apart is its built-in battery, giving you up to 2.5 hours of wireless viewing, perfect for outdoor movie nights, camping trips, or simply relaxing in your living room without worrying about power cords. The projector is designed to be smart and hassle-free. With features like autofocus, auto keystone correction, and intelligent screen alignment, it quickly adjusts the picture so you always get the best view without manual tweaking. Sound quality is equally impressive thanks to dual 5-watt Harman Kardon speakers that deliver crisp, room-filling audio without the need for extra equipment. Hammock V Sleeping Pad. The Hammock V Sleeping Pad by Clement is designed to make sleeping in a hammock warmer, cozier, and more stable. Unlike regular sleeping pads that slip around and leave you chilly, this one has a smart V-chamber shape with extra side wings that wrap around your body. These wings block cold air from seeping in from underneath and keep you comfortably supported all night long. It's made with non-slip material on both the top and bottom, so once you set it up, it stays in place even if you move around while sleeping. This pad comes in two versions: an insulated model with an R value of 4.4, great for colder nights, and a lighter non-insulated version for warmer seasons. Both are easy to carry since they pack down small, about the size of a large water bottle, and weigh just over 27 ounces. Inflating it is simple and takes around 15 to 20 breaths, so setup is quick at camp. Perfect for hammock campers, the Hammock V Sleeping Pad solves the usual problems of slipping and cold spots, giving you a warm, steady, and restful night outdoors. It's a must-have for anyone who loves hammock camping. Musin Speaker. Musin speakers are stylish, retro-inspired Bluetooth speakers that bring together classic design and modern technology. With looks inspired by 1960s radios and vintage suitcases, these speakers don't just sound good, they also add a nostalgic charm to any space. Compact and portable, they're perfect for taking to the park, beach, or just moving around your home. Despite their small size, Musin speakers deliver clear, crisp sound with surprisingly good volume. Many models feature multiple listening options, including Bluetooth wireless streaming, FM radio, and aux input, so you can enjoy music from your phone, tablet, or even traditional radio stations. One Wind Shower Shelter is the perfect outdoor companion when you need privacy and comfort on your adventures. Whether you're camping, hiking, at the beach, or at a festival, this lightweight shelter gives you a private space to shower, change clothes, or use a portable toilet with ease. Weighing only about 450 grams, the One Wind Shower Shelter is incredibly light and packs down small enough to fit in your backpack without adding bulk. Despite its compact size, when set up, it measures around 300 by 140 centimeters, giving you plenty of room to move comfortably inside. Made from durable 20D Silnylon with sealed seams, it is water-resistant, windproof, and built to handle outdoor conditions while keeping you protected. Setting it up is simple and flexible. You can hang it from a ridgeline between trees and stake it to the ground, or use the included aluminum pole to make it freestanding. This versatility means you can create your own private zone almost anywhere. Practical, portable, And reliable, the one-wind shower shelter ensures you always have a convenient, discreet space outdoors. It's an essential gear piece for anyone who values both comfort and privacy while exploring nature. Opus Smart Tent is a modern camping tent designed to make outdoor adventures easier, faster, and more comfortable. Instead of struggling with poles and complicated setups, this tent inflates at the push of a button. Built with strong air beams and a powerful pump, it's ready to use in just minutes, so you can spend more time relaxing and less time setting up. Inside, the Opus Smart Tent feels more like a small mobile home than a basic shelter. It features built-in lighting powered by rechargeable batteries, with smart zones that let you control lights in different areas, like the bedroom, living space, or outside. There are USB ports for charging phones and gadgets, and darker sleeping rooms that block out light for a better night's rest. The tent is made with premium waterproof fabric that keeps you safe in heavy rain while staying durable for long-term use. Available in different sizes, such as the T24 for smaller groups and the T46 for up to 6 people, it's great for families or friends who want both comfort and convenience. With the Opus Smart Tent, you get the luxury of glamping with the ease of a fast, hassle-free setup. Pommeli Lumberjack Fast Fold Stove. The Pommeli Lumberjack Fast Fold Stove is a portable and powerful stove designed for outdoor lovers who want convenience without sacrificing performance. Its fast fold design makes setup quick and simple, so you can spend less time struggling with equipment and more time enjoying your adventure. Despite its compact size, the stove produces strong heat, allowing you to cook meals or boil water efficiently, even in tough outdoor conditions. This stove is lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for camping, hiking, or van life trips. It works with multiple fuel types, giving you flexibility no matter where you are or what you're cooking. The sturdy construction ensures stability on uneven surfaces, while the high-quality materials resist heat and wear, so it can last for many outdoor seasons. Whether you're preparing breakfast in a tent, heating water for coffee, or enjoying a campfire meal with friends, the Lumberjack Fast Fold Stove makes it easy and reliable. Its combination of portability, efficiency, and durability makes it a must-have for solo adventurers or families alike. With this stove, you get a dependable heat source wherever you go, turning any outdoor experience into a comfortable and enjoyable one. Safari Connect. Safari Connect is a handy mobile app designed for the Safari Wi-Fi action camera, making it easier to control and manage your camera directly from your phone or tablet. Once you connect your device to the camera's Wi-Fi, the app lets you see everything live on your screen, just like a viewfinder. This means you can preview shots, frame your videos perfectly, and capture moments without touching the camera itself. With Safari Connect, you can switch between different shooting modes like photo, video, slow motion, time lapse, or burst, all with a simple tap. You can also start or stop recording, snap pictures instantly, and adjust settings quickly. The app makes it easy to view, download, or delete files from your camera's memory card, saving you the trouble of using a computer. Solar string lights. Solar string lights are a simple, eco-friendly way to brighten up your garden, patio, or balcony without worrying about electricity bills. These lights come with a small solar panel that charges during the day and automatically powers the LEDs at night, giving you a warm and cozy glow. They're easy to install since no wiring is needed, making them perfect for decorating trees, fences, rooftops, or even indoor spaces where sunlight can reach the panel. With different styles like fairy lights, bulbs, stars, or colorful designs, they add beauty and charm to any space. The best part is that they save energy and are completely safe to use outdoors, as many are waterproof and weather resistant. Takibi Fire and Grill. The Takibi Fire and Grill by Snow Peak is a smart and portable way to enjoy cooking and campfires outdoors. Made from durable stainless steel, it folds flat for easy carrying, making it perfect for camping, road trips, or even backyard gatherings. Unlike regular fire pits, it lifts the fire off the ground so you don't leave burn marks behind, keeping campsites and patios clean. What makes it stand out is its versatility. You can use it as a fire pit for warmth and atmosphere, or set the grill attachment on top to cook meals. The adjustable height lets you control the heat for grilling, whether you're making kebabs, burgers, or simple roasted veggies. It's easy to set up and pack away, which means less hassle and more time enjoying the outdoors. The Takibi Fire and Grill has even won design awards for its smart construction, proving it's not just practical, but also stylish. Campers love that it keeps fires contained, safe, and efficient. Whether you're out in the wild or just hosting friends at home, this fire and grill system brings people together around good food and a cozy fire, anywhere you go. The Winterwell Iron Stove is a must-have for campers who want warmth, comfort, and the joy of cooking while outdoors. Built from high-quality stainless steel, it's designed to last through tough conditions and provide reliable performance whether you're in the forest, mountains, or by the lake. Its compact size makes it easy to carry and set up, but don't let that fool you. This stove delivers impressive heat to keep your tent cozy during cold nights. The large viewing window adds charm. Zero Breeze Mark II AC. The Zero Breeze Mark II is a compact, portable air conditioner designed for people who love the outdoors but don't want to suffer in the heat. Whether you're camping, traveling in an RV, or spending time in a small cabin, this lightweight AC keeps your space cool and comfortable.